What if I told you there is a place in the universe where time stops, light disappears, and you can never come back? This place is called a black hole. Black holes are not just dark objects in space. They are the most mysterious things ever discovered. Even Albert Einstein once thought they might not exist. But today, scientists know they are real. And what they do is terrifying. Imagine a giant, invisible monster floating in space, waiting silently. Anything that gets too close is gone forever. No sound, no warning, just darkness. So, what exactly is a black hole? A black hole is formed when a massive star dies. When a star runs out of energy, it collapses under its own gravity. It shrinks smaller and smaller until all its mass is packed into a tiny point. This point is called a singularity, and around it there is a boundary called the event horizon. Once you cross it, there is no escape. Not even light can come back. Imagine you are in a spaceship floating near a black hole. At first, everything looks normal. Stars shine. Space is calm. But as you get closer, something strange begins to happen. The gravity becomes insanely strong. Stronger than anything you can imagine. Your time slows down. Yes, literally slows down. If someone watches you from far away, you will look frozen. This effect is called time dilation. Now imagine this. You are falling into the black hole. Feet first. Something horrifying begins. Your feet feel a stronger pull than your head. Your body starts stretching longer and longer, like spaghetti. Scientists call this spaghettification. And no, you cannot survive it. As you get closer, light begins to disappear. Everything becomes darker, colder, silent. You try to scream, but no one can hear you, because even sound cannot escape. But here's where things get even stranger. What if I told you black holes are not just destroyers? Some scientists believe they might be portals, gateways to something else. There are theories that inside a black hole, space and time completely break. The laws of physics stop working. Some believe you could enter another universe, or even travel through time. But there's a problem. No one has ever come back to tell the story. And the biggest mystery? What really happens after you cross the event horizon? Do you die instantly? Or does something even more terrifying happen? You are already falling. There is no escape now. Behind you, the universe is fading. Ahead of you, only darkness. You just crossed the event horizon, and now everything changes. From the outside, you are gone. To the rest of the universe, you are frozen in time. You never actually fall in. You just fade away. But from your perspective, you are still falling deeper and deeper into the unknown. Something impossible begins to happen. Space starts to bend, not just around you, but inside you. Directions lose meaning. There is no up, no down, no left. Only one direction remains: forward, toward the center, toward the singularity. At the center of every black hole, there is something we do not understand. A point with infinite density, zero size, infinite gravity. This is called the singularity. Physics stops making sense. As you fall closer, time behaves strangely. For you, seconds feel normal, but outside, millions of years could pass. Everything you ever knew, everyone you loved, is already gone. Your planet, your people, your entire civilization could disappear while you are still falling, alone in the dark. Light begins to twist. Stars stretch into long lines. The universe bends like liquid. You start seeing things that should not exist. Some scientists believe you might even see the future, or echoes of the past. But here's the most shocking idea. What if black holes are not the end? What if they are the beginning? There is a theory that every black hole is connected to something called a white hole. A white hole does the opposite. Nothing can go in. Everything comes out. Some scientists believe what goes into a black hole comes out somewhere else. This leads to another idea: wormholes, shortcuts through space and time. You enter a black hole and exit in another galaxy, or another universe, or another time. But here's the truth: no one knows for sure, because no information can escape a black hole. It hides its secrets perfectly. Most scientists believe you would not survive long enough to find out. The gravity, the radiation, the forces would destroy you completely before you ever reach the center. You are getting closer now, closer to the singularity, closer to the unknown. Everything is collapsing. Space, time, reality. And then something happens. Something no human has ever seen. You made it this far. No human ever has. You are closer than anything to the center of a black hole, to the singularity where reality ends. Everything is breaking now. Space is no longer space. Time is no longer time. The laws of physics are gone. You are not just falling anymore. You are being pulled from every direction. This is it, the closest possible moment to the singularity, and something impossible happens. Time stops, not slows, stops. There is no before, no after, only now. Forever. Some scientists believe at this exact point, all information about you is stored. Your memories, your thoughts, your entire existence encoded into the black hole itself. This is called the information paradox. But what if you are not destroyed? What if you are transformed? There is a theory that inside every black hole, a new universe is born, not destroyed, created, a brand new space, a new beginning. Some scientists even believe our universe might have started inside a black hole. That means right now, somewhere out there, another universe could exist inside another black hole, with stars, galaxies, maybe even life, just like us. And you are no longer a person. You are part of something bigger. Your matter, your energy, your existence becomes part of this new reality. The life you knew is gone. The universe you came from is unreachable. No one will ever know what happened to you. Black holes do not just destroy, they erase, they hide, they transform, and they keep their secrets forever. So the real question is, are black holes the end of everything, or are they the beginning of something we cannot understand? If this made you question reality, subscribe now, because the universe is full of mysteries, and this is just the beginning.